Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel James Biology. In the previous video session we have discussed about the energy flow, food chain and food web on different trophic levels, first, second, third, fourth likewise, and the producer, herbivore and carnivores, how they are included in different trophic levels. So in this video session we will discuss about the ecological pyramid in brief. So let's discuss about the ecological pyramid. So each and every trophic level is represented with the help of this pyramidal structure, which we call as ecological pyramid, right? So here the structure of the pyramid is like this, and ecological pyramid is a structure that looks like the pyramid of Misr, and it is divided into various trophic level. Okay, so at the base the first trophic level, then the second, third and fourth trophic level likewise. Okay, so my dear friends, the trophic structure and function of the ecosystem are represented with the help of a pyramid that is called ecological pyramids. Ecological pyramid, my dear friends, is first discovered by Charles Elton in the year 1927. So Charles Elton first proposed this ecological pyramid in the year 1927. That is why it is called Eltonian pyramid. That is why it is also known as Eltonian pyramid. Okay, so here, as I told you, that the producers are at the base of the pyramid. This is the first trophic level, then the primary consumer, secondary consumer and finally the tertiary consumer occupy different level or different trophic level in the ecological pyramid. So at the base the producers are there, it is the first trophic level. So we can write here, it is the first trophic level, then the second trophic level, third and finally the fourth trophic level likewise. Okay, so ecological pyramids are of three different types particularly. Number one is pyramid of number. Second, the pyramid of biomass, and third one, my dear friends, pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy. So likewise the three different pyramids, three different types of pyramids are there: pyramid of number, biomass and energy. So let's discuss one by one in detail what is pyramid of number, biomass and pyramid of energy. Yes, my dear friends, so remember, a given organism may occupy a single one organism may occupy different trophic level in an ecological pyramid. Okay, so trophic level are nothing but the functional level. Yes, my dear friends, trophic levels are nothing but the functional level. In each trophic level, different animals or plants or organism, we can say, are there and they have specific function. So that is why the trophic level are also called as the functional level. Okay, so one organism can be placed in different places of the trophic level, Okay, so a single organism in multiple trophic level. So let's take the example that was there in the NCERT, the example of sparrow. Yes, the example of sparrow we can take is the primary consumer. It is the primary consumer when it eats the grasses. When it eats the grasses or any plant product, the sparrow can be placed as the primary consumer. But when it eats the insects, when it eats insects, it can be placed here. The sparrow can be placed in the secondary consumer, because in this case the primary consumer is the insect, because the insect feeds on grass and the sparrow feeds on insect. So depending on what the organism is consuming, what the organism is eating, the trophic level varies. When the sparrow feeds on the grasses, it is established, it is present in the primary consumer, considered as the primary consumer. When it feeds on the insect, it is considered to be the secondary consumer. Okay, so my dear friends, all the pyramids, that means pyramid of number, biomass and energy, all are upright. Yes, upright means the tertiary consumer at the apex and producer at the base. So the structure is like this. So remember, the pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass can be inverted. That means the inverted pyramid will look like what? It will look just opposite of this structure. That means like this. So when the pyramid is inverted, it will look like this, and this is the pyramid which is upright, this is the pyramid which is inverted. Yes, my dear friends, inverted. So remember, the pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass can be inverted. I will give examples with diagram, no problem at that. Okay, so pyramid of energy is always upright. Remember, pyramid of energy, the third type of pyramid, that is the pyramid of energy, remember, is always upright, never inverted. It is a very important question. It may be asked in the examination as well. I will explain why the pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass can be inverted, but always pyramid of energy is upright, never inverted. Right? Okay, my dear friends. So let's discuss first about the limitations of this ecological pyramid. At the end, I will draw different ecological pyramid to show you how the pyramids are upright in some cases and inverted in some other cases. Before that, let's know the limitations of the ecological pyramid. Yes, my dear friends, ecological pyramid limitations. Limitations of what? Limitations of the ecological pyramid. So let's discuss one by one. Point number one. Okay, it assumes a simple food chain. Assumes a simple food chain. And actually a simple food chain is never possible, never exist in the ecosystem. Always food chains are interlinked with one another to form the food web. So simple food chain is not possible practically, but in the ecological pyramid it assumes a simple food chain, which is a drawback. Right? Because the simple food chain never exists. Right? So let's move on to the next point. It does not accommodate a food web. Yes, it does not accommodate. Doesn't accommodate what? Food web. So as all the food chains are always interlinked to form the food web, but actually ecological pyramid never does not accommodate food web. This is a limitation. Next, saprotrophs or saprophytes, we can say here. Saprophytes have a very important role in the ecological system or ecosystems, but the saprophytes are excluded from this ecological pyramid, and saprophytes not given any place, although they have a vital role in the ecosystem. The saprophytes are not given any place in the ecological pyramid. So these are the limitations. The ecological pyramids does not take into account some species which belongs to two or more trophic level. Another point is that some organisms are there or some species are there who belongs to more than one trophic level, and they are not taken and they are not given priority. These are the different limitations of the ecological pyramid, my dear friends. Now with the diagram of some upright ecological pyramid and inverted ecological pyramid, we will see how the pyramid of biomass and pyramid of number can be inverted, but the pyramid of energy can never be inverted. So let me draw some diagram to show you. Friends, now we have the diagrams of the ecological pyramids of number and pyramid of biomass. First, let's discuss these two different types of pyramid of number and biomass. At the end, we will discuss about pyramid of energy, which cannot be inverted. So first, we have three different diagrams from three different ecosystems. First one, or A, is from grassland in both the cases, in pyramid of biomass as well as the number. A represents grassland, here also A represents grassland, B for forest ecosystem, and C for aquatic ecosystem, here pond in number and here lake in case of biomass. Okay, so first let's discuss the diagram A, where the grassland ecosystem, which is upright. So the green plants are of highest number, rabbits who feeds on green plants are less than the green plants, fox who feeds on the rabbit are again less, and lions are least in number in the grassland ecosystem. So this ecosystem or the pyramid of number is upright. Okay, so next let's go to the forest ecosystem, where the number of trees is of least. Trees are less in number, and birds, those depends on the trees for their survival, are more in number, and the parasites who feeds on the birds are again more in number. That is why the forest ecosystem or the pyramid of number in the forest ecosystem is inverted. Why? Because the trees are least in number and parasites are highest in number, right? So let's move on to the third one, C, which represents the aquatic ecosystem, and we will discuss about the pyramid of number. So in aquatic ecosystem of the pond or pond ecosystem, the phytoplanktons or the producer are highest in number. Zooplanktons who depends on the phytoplanktons are less in number. Worms who depends on zooplanktons are again less, and fish who depends on the worms for their survival are again less in number. So phytoplanktons or the producer are highest in number, and fish or the tertiary consumer in the aquatic or pond ecosystem are least in number. So the aquatic ecosystem or the pond ecosystem, if we will consider the pyramid of number, then it is upright. So we have two upright pyramids, pyramid that represents the grassland ecosystem, and the ecological pyramid representing the aquatic ecosystem or pond ecosystem are upright, whereas that of the forest ecosystem is inverted, right? So now let's discuss about the pyramid of biomass, where first we discuss about the grassland ecosystem. Here also the green plants, the biomass is highest, rabbit then less than the green plants, fox have the biomass less than rabbits, and lions have the least biomass. So the pyramid of biomass in grassland is upright. Likewise, the pyramid of biomass in forest ecosystem is also upright because the number of trees or the biomass of the trees is highest. The birds depending on the trees have less biomass, and the insects or the pesticides, the parasites which depends on the birds, or the parasites, here I can write the parasites are again less in biomass as compared to the birds. So it is also upright. The pyramid of biomass in the forest ecosystem is upright, right? So let's move on to the lake ecosystem, the aquatic ecosystem. Here the lake, where the algae are of least biomass. Zooplanktons have more biomass than algae. Small fishes are again having more biomass than that of the zooplanktons, and the large fish who depends on the small fish for their survival are having highest biomass. So the pyramid of biomass in aquatic or lake ecosystem is inverted. Yes, my dear friends, it is inverted. So the aquatic ecosystem, if we will consider the pyramid of biomass is inverted, and in the forest ecosystem the pyramid of number is inverted. But as I have told you that the pyramid of energy is never inverted. Before going to the pyramid of energy, we can say the forest ecosystem, the pyramid of number in forest ecosystem can be spindle shaped also. So how it becomes spindle shaped? The number of tree is least. The birds depending on the trees are more than the tree, and the carnivores who feeds on the bird are less in number. So here you can add any carnivore who feeds on the birds are less in number. So this type of pyramid is also seen in the forest ecosystem if we will go for pyramid of number, spindle shaped pyramid. Okay, my dear friends, now we will talk about the pyramid of energy. Okay, let me draw here the pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy is always upright. Why? Because the producer get highest energy from the sun. Okay, producers get highest energy because they prepare their own food by utilizing the solar radiation. And the herbivores or the primary consumer get their energy from the producers by consuming the producer. So we know according to the 10% law, or the energy flow decreases from one trophic level to another trophic level. So only 10% is received by the herbivore if 100% is there in the producer. Then the secondary consumer or the carnivore receive again less amount of energy because energy is always radiated to the environment in the form of heat. So only 1% is received by the secondary consumer, and the tertiary consumer will receive only 0.1%. So always from one trophic level to the other trophic level, from the producer to the primary consumer, from the primary to secondary, and from the secondary to tertiary consumer, the energy always decreases, right? That is why the energy or the pyramid of energy, yes my dear friends, pyramid of energy is always upright and never inverted. So this is all about different types of pyramid, pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy, and their properties when they become upright, when they are inverted. So this is all about the ecological pyramid, and if you have any doubts relating this session, you can comment below. If you like this video session, hit the like button because it will encourage me to produce more videos for you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel CMS Biology and hit the bell icon. Thank you.